What's up, guys, and welcome back to another awesome episode of JDM for All. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your maintenance required button, your maintenance required light on your second gen Honda CRV. Not sure if this works on the first gen and the third gen. I believe on the first gen there was something you put your key in on the dash. I don't remember. And excuse my dash, it's a little dusty. I just went off-roading. So basically, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your maintenance required light, and it's super simple. You would think that you would push something over here because this is where the light is, but this has nothing to do with it. All this does is set the light, the brightness on the tack, and the instrument panel. So right now, guys, I'm going to show you guys how it actually works. Basically, you just hold this and turn over the key. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. And that little light right there is super annoying. I had my oil just recently changed, but this light was not on, so they never reset this, and it is super annoying. So I'm going to be resetting it right now, and I'll show you guys how it actually works. But basically, you just hold this button and you turn the key over. So I'll show you guys right now how it works. Alright, so I'm going to be holding this button right here, and you want to basically turn the key to the accessories mode. And so I'm holding it right now. Sorry for the glare. I will block the sun once I'm done pushing the ignition over. But basically, once it's turned over, you see the light, the maintenance required light, and it's going, it's blinking, and it should reset. Okay, now it's not showing. Let's turn it back off and turn the key back over again. Let's see if it blinks and stays on. And it's off, guys. So the light is actually off right there. Now every time I turn it back over, it turns on to show you that the bulb works, but it is off. So we successfully reset the light, and it is super easy. Anyone can do it, obviously. So at first, the first time I did this, I had to figure it out myself. It was a little difficult. Obviously, you get it after a few minutes, but I just wanted to show you guys because this could be a little difficult, and it does take a few minutes to figure it out. You might think the car has to be on, or you have to start the car, or whatever, but basically, this is how you do it. I had to figure it out the first time, and then after a while, after I had the next time that it turned on, I forgot how to do it again. So I wanted to make this video just to show you guys how to turn off your maintenance light. Super easy. It's just something you never think about until it pops up. And yeah, really easy, guys. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I have a lot more videos on this awesome lifted Honda CRV. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.